Hi guys, if your Whirlpool dryer keeps beeping at the end of every cycle or you want the notification sound turned back on, this video will show you exactly how you can enable or disable the dryer cycle signal in just a few seconds. So first of all, you need to power on the Whirlpool dryer normally. The control panel needs to be active before you can adjust the signal settings. Now over here you just have to take a look at the control panel for the button, which will be labeled as cycle signal, or it will be with the name and signal or a wrinkle shield signal depending on your Whirlpool dryer model. On some of the models the signal control may share a button with another features. So if you are able to find the cycle signal button, you just have to simply press it repeatedly to cycle through the available sound levels. Most of the Whirlpool dryers often settings like high, low and off. So each press usually changes the signal level and updates the display or indicator lights. So you need to keep pressing the button until the display shows you off or the signal indicator lights is off. Now this is going to disable the end of the cycle beeping completely. Now if you want the notification sound again later, you can simply press the cycle signal button and then choose a higher volume settings. So this is useful if you want reminders when clothes finish drying. So you can try this and let me know if that works for you. Thank you.